7%. Big gaps. Google is at all-time high. I had some TPQ from yesterday. Just a small amount, only 1,000 shares. Mr. Pezim, how
And
are
I've
you?
got I have some OKLO from yesterday. So I'm good.
So I actually didn't exactly understood what was this ruling, but Apple is up 3%. It's selling off right now below the VWAP. So what we're looking is actually stays above the VWAP.
Yeah, Apple obviously benefiting from this Google court ruling.
Open Door is up 4%. Open Door is also interesting. Guys, we had some really amazing traders in Trading Terminal funded account. If you did blow up or if you had any mistake, we can just reset it for you, no problem. Just email me and we can reset it for you and can continue. We have the best trader up almost $5,000, so it's great for only for 1 week. So don't get disappointed. Just email us. I can reset your buying power.
Open's not really, it is breaking out, but not moving much.
Apple has AAPU is the leverage ETF. That one's also interesting for trading.
Rocket Labs pushing to an all-time high.
Yes, all trading terminal people are getting funded accounts, and you can, if you blow up, you can reset. We can reset it for you.
Not like in real life, unfortunately.
No, some people get the second chance, even in real life.
Yeah, yes. Well, definitely.
All right. So IWM is still negative, but Qs are up. Just apply through
Okay,
trading
so
terminal premium, and you're automatically everybody's on a funded account. So as long as you're trading terminal premium, you're on a funded account.
nice. Nice, Lauren. You got a decent profit there, that's for sure. So, something to watch out for, 10 o'clock. Oh, shit. Dollar Tree's dropping. Was looking at that for Rising Devil. Everything's dropping. But it's really dropping a lot. Anyway, yeah, 10 o'clock, we've got ADP employment reports. So, kind of be aware that could be a big catalyst.
All right, let's see what these ones are doing at the open. What time is it? We have 30 seconds, 1 minute to the open. All right, so if you go to trading terminal calendar, we are having today. So in the economy calendar, already had a date at 10 o'clock. We have JOLTS number, job opening, which is a very high impact number.
That's what I said. All right, get ready to rumble. A bit of selling at the open. just before the open.
All right, ding, 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 ding. Let's see. Tesla hit the scanner. Let's see what the Tesla is up to. Nvidia isn't doing much. AMD is doing much. Apple. Apple is below the
Short,
VWAP.
got a bit of a short on Dollar Tree. Didn't get it anywhere near what I wanted there. Just covering some here at 99. Just no pop at all.
See what
No love.
Oh, Google is strong. Above the VWAP. Tesla. Both Apple and Tesla are weak, losing it.
Wow, Tesla's really selling off.
Yeah, market
PLTR,
overall.
everything's selling off here.
No trade for me. All right, Google also selling off. Apple trying to come back up. AAPU. No. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Nvidia went green. Went red, sorry. Apple is still weak.
Yeah.
All right, the SPY is ripping now. That's interesting. SPY is ripping. Let's see what the Qs are doing. Qs also
Let's
coming
try a
back.
long. Just going to try a long on PLTR right here at 156.90.
Tesla is gonna go red. It looks by the looks of it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Google. Does the Google have ETF, leverage ETF?
Don't know.
I'm gonna get a long on Google at 225.79.
Okay, I'm out of PLTR at
GGL, huh?
156.70. I thought it might bounce here at the
GLL.
PDC, but it looks like it's going to head lower here. Let's keep an eye on it. Yeah, SPY's back at high of the
High of the day, yeah. SPY looks like it wants to break the high of the day. So I'm long on Google right now above the VWAP. Let's see if you can actually get breakout. Oof, SPY is ripping. Apple is interesting too. AAPU. See if you can Google hold above the
Jews
VWAP.
are coming up too here.
I'm gonna get some long on Apple too, 236.79. Something is front running this. All of these tech SPYs really ripping. Which sector is that? Let's go to trading terminal. On this news or heat map. Communication, technology, consumer services is strong.
Got out a Dollar Tree, more Dollar Tree at 98.50.
All right, so Google is good. Apple is not good. I'm getting out of Apple at 2236. But Google is, let's see if we can get to 227. Nvidia is red. I'm adding a little more
feeling.
on Google. Let's see if I go Google can get a breakout.
Okay, I'm out of the rest of Dollar Tree.
Oh, there you
Flat
go.
on
Google
the rest.
227. Google is at all-time high. So let's see. SPY is making new high.
Trying another long on PLTR.
Tesla is really weak. PLTR coming back up. Shit, Google is.
Dollar Tree is really jerky. I'm out of it now anyway.
Yeah, Tesla is really going down.
Yeah. Same with Nvidia. Nvidia.
All right, Google going up. Nice. I'm still long on Google, guys. Let's see if we can go to break up to 27. That would be nice if you can get that. Disappointing that the Apple couldn't hold above the VWAP.
Yeah, look at Tesla. Tesla's going to go to PDC. Watch for a bounce there. No, I'm going to get out of PLTR again. Just there's a seller there for sure.
Come on, Google. 227. Uh-huh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 227. There you go. Break of 227 would be nice. Big ask at 227. That's what we want.
Just
Partials.
played the bounce off of Tesla, but it doesn't look like, it doesn't look like it's going to do much here. Might go red.
227.50 on
Wow,
Google.
everything's selling off here. Wow.
Nice short on the NVIDIA, Peter. Google looks like it wants to go. Come on, Tesla. Tesla, red. Apple really sold off.
Yeah, Tesla's still struggling.
I have ordered at 227.50 on Google. Uh-huh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Partialing some here. 227.30. How did I not get filled? 227.59. Oh no, that's high of the day. Never hit yet. High of the day on Google is 227.59. I have ordered at 227.50. SPY still above the VWAP. 10 o'clock we have the jobs number. I got filled. Nice. Partial more. Really good profit on Google. Really good. Yeah. Let's get to 228. Nice. I'm gonna sell more 1,000 shares at 228. Nice. I mean, again, Google is the biggest company in the world, so one of the biggest companies in the world. So these moves are really 1% move is a lot of capital going in and out. Yes. Apple was very unfortunate. Let's see if Google can go. And also, I put 227. There you go. Big ass. Come on.
Nice, nice bounce back on Nvidia there.
Correct. Got filled at 228. Yes. Nice. Reddit is hitting the scanner as well. Let's see what Reddit is doing. Wow. Yeah. Reddit is all time high.
Yeah,
Almost.
Reddit's ripping, eh? Wow, wonder why it's jumping.
Apple is setting up really hard.
Yeah.
He'll bounce back from S4. Yeah, PLTR is a little bit crazy. I have some orders on Google still at 228.50. I'm gonna add a little bit more here on Google 228. See if I can get to 220.50. Yeah, Jordan. Trading terminal at scanner. I have it on my other monitor.
Yeah, man, the SPY and the Qs are really doing nothing. AMD came back up nicely.
U is also hitting the scanner to break up. Yeah, U is up. Unity software.
Just shorted a little bit of Nvidia, that VWAP rejection.
Nice. I have orders on Google at 228.50. There you go, filled. Nice. I have a big position on Google, so really nice. I still have 5,000 shares of Google left, which is a lot. Nice. Google breaking all-time high. Beautiful. Yeah, there's nothing stopping it. I'm gonna sell another 1,000 share at 229. Beautiful. Ooh, I'm gonna actually sell 2,000 shares at 229. Wow, it's beautiful. Nice. Yes.
Yeah, Google. I really didn't think there was much left in that tank,
Yeah,
but
it's all-time
apparently,
high. Done. Filled 2,000 shares on Google, 229. Wow, so good, so good. Well, Qs are holding that level below the VWAP. PLTR was a weird dance at S4.
yeah, right off S4.
Right, so I still have orders on Google, 225.50 and 230. Nice. Amazing. Nice guy. 227.40. Nice guys. There's some really good traders on trading terminal funded account making profit. Excellent guys. Keep it. Don't overtrade. I want a $15,000 check from best traders in trading terminal.
I'm out of NVIDIA short.
All right, SPY Qs are coming up above the VWAP.
Yeah, SPY and Qs are starting to warm up a bit. Still got 15 minutes for the jolt numbers. I've got an alarm set, so
Nice. Yeah, guys, order sitting at 229.50 for me. Let's see what Apple doing. Apple really setting up. Huh? Apple might be a bounce somewhere too.
yeah, Apple was
Maybe disappointing.
kind of felt like Apple was going to sell off too. It was actually trading like lead balloon trade. I talked about that last week on my webinar. It's gapping up but trading below the VWAP at the open.
Mara is in the scanner. Wow, Mara is also hitting the scanner really nicely. Wow. Mara's going to go through 1655. Nice. Yeah, no problem, Jordan. We can reset your trading terminal. No problem at all. The goal is now that we have the platform, we can be so much flexibility. I mean, the good thing about having the platform for trading terminal is that we can easily reset you without any additional cost if you make a mistake. With DAS, it's very difficult, almost impossible, because we don't own the platform. Yeah, Mara just keeps going higher.
Yeah, I wonder what's going on with Mara.
Jobs opening at 10 in 12 minutes.
Yeah, I've got an alarm set 2 minutes before. So we will know what time to watch out for. Ooh, SPY and Qs just did a big rejection there.
All right, market is rolling over. SPY and Qs.
Yeah.
NVIDIA. What's Tesla doing? Tesla bounced back from the previous day close, huh?
Tesla bounced back right off of PDC, which is where I expected to bounce.
Yeah, I'm still in Google. Wait, Apple looks like it wants to bounce slowly. Q's popped back up. Google 2950. Yeah, Google definitely making an ABCD pattern. It's a little bit extended on Google. You got to be careful, but it looks like it wants to do another breakout. But it's definitely very extended right now from the moving averages. So we got to be a little bit careful. I wanted to catch a reversal on Apple. That's kind of missed it. Hey man, nice reversal on Verizon, but you get stop out, huh?
Hmm.
Nice. Let's see. All right, Google is going to go to 22950, which is I am putting an order there. Okay, Q's are really good coming up really nicely. It's nice. Yeah, Apple had really changed the course. I wanted to get some Apple lunch. Let's see.
Yeah, Apple's
And get
bouncing
another
back.
range
Watch out.
now.
It's at the VWAP now. PLTR.
PLTR really nice as well. Mara
Yeah.
1666. Mara really did a nice move as well. You should look at the scanners in the terminal more. It's really good. Right, we are getting slowly closer to the jobs number. So we don't know what happens. Good news could be bad news. Good news could be good news.
Hmm.
Apple is really strong now. So I'm thinking of maybe taking an Apple. This looks like it wants to go above the Viva. So I'm going to get some long on Apple at 235.95. This bounce was strong. Unless the job number is going to mess everything up. But this looks like it
Yeah,
wants to come back up above the Viva.
I'm gonna kind of wait now. We're pretty close to this report.
PLTR back to green. Nice telling. Oh, there you go. Apple is coming back up. Nice. Let's see if we can go to 236.60, moving the averages on 5 minutes and 1 minute. Could be nice. Come on, Apple, you can do that. Uh-huh. Come on, Apple. Pop above the VWAP. 237 is a very good target if you can get there. So the job opening can actually impact the bond market as well. So the interest rates. I know there's
Yes.
a lot of discussion that Feds think that the high interest rates are really deteriorating the job market. So that's one of the biggest concerns. If the job openings are low, it means that the economy cannot create enough jobs. So that means that the bonds rates have to come down. The bonds have to be rates higher. When the rates are coming down, the value of the bonds are going higher.
Yeah, it's an inverse thing.
All right, here we go. Okay, so Apple, let's see if we can get to 236.50. Guys, remember, if you had any issue on trading terminal, we can reset that for you. I don't have any plan to make it paid for now. So for the next couple of months, if you blew up, that's okay. I reset it for you. The goal is to trade well. All right, Google is going back up to the high of the day. I have ordered 229.50.
All right. Well, I'm just sitting on my hands here, so just wait for this number.
Right, how do you sit on your hands like these? I always wonder how you
Handcuffs.
sit on your hand. Like,
Handcuffs.
fuck this Apple. All right, Apple doesn't want to go above the VWAP, huh? Not until the news. Okay, so I'm gonna get stop down on Apple to 35.38. Let's see what this job doing. Um, all right, so 2 minutes to the JOLTS number. Again, I have the Benzinga open announcing it. If you have Benzinga, we'll announce. I might get back into Apple to see what's going to happen. I also
Yeah,
have
I'm
order on
watching
Google to
PLTR.
29.50. If it's
Videos.
bad, we might get a rally. If it's good, we might also get a
Yeah,
rally. Really, it is one of those times that you don't know.
you just don't know. Yeah, and quite often the first reaction is the wrong one. So just be
Yeah.
careful about
All right, Google. Let's see, Google.
920
Google.
around 1010. Okay,
Come on,
my
Google.
alarm went off.
Come on,
That
Google.
means 2 minutes to this number.
I got out a little more Google. I still have 3,000 shares of Google. I want to see if we can get to 229.50. I still haven't lost hope on Apple. All right, Google Upfield 229.50. Nice. I've ordered at 230 on Google. To Google. Ah, look at that Google. Yes, 230. Ah, we got so much from Google. I'm gonna get back into Apple as well. 235.64. PLTR is going back up. I'm also back in Apple at 235.70.
Just did a quick scalp on PLTR just before this number. Here we go. We got 30 seconds.
Oh shit, I didn't get filled on 230. Jobs data in 20 seconds. Let's see what we get. Benzinga will announce it. But the price action is the most important thing. Also look at the bonds price action. So if it's very important, it usually moves the bond market. All right, Google. So they're higher.
Okay, so they cleared the book.
Lower than expectation. So bonds are rallying. Yeah, TLT is popping up. So lower than expectation means job market is weaker than expected. That's exactly what the Feds are afraid of. So it's impacting. Yeah. So futures are taking a slightly lower. So as you
Now
see,
look at
bonds popping
yeah,
up
no, the
significantly.
market's rallying.
Yeah,
Bad news for the labor market is good news for the stock market, apparently.
good news here. Yeah. So because the rates can go higher. So I'm back long on Apple, guys. I'm adding a little bit more on Apple. See if I can get these losses back on Apple. All right, so it seems the Qs are holding above the VWAP, so market didn't sell off significantly. Again, the bonds are
I'm
going
just
higher.
yeah, I'm long PLTR. Let's go
Yeah,
back to
risk on, risk on. Wow. Getting out more on
Nvidia's
Google.
rallying.
This is a good risk on news. So means that rates can come lower faster as the White House wants. Google 230.50, I got out more. Nice.
Going for
231 missing next one.
158. See if we get 158 on PLTR. Come on, baby.
231 and Google. I put the order on. Wow, Qs are trying to make a new high. Nice job opening. It's lower than expected.
Tesla bounced back.
231, come on, Google. Google is trying to, sorry, Qs are trying to make a new high of the day.
Yeah.
Nice.
Come on. Here we go. PLTR. Come on, baby.
PLTR is going to go to 158.50, it seems like it.
158. Come on. There we go. Sold some there. 158.01. This is yesterday's high right here. 158.30. Selling more. Wow, Tesla ripped too.
Nice. Oh, Qs popped up to the high of the day. Amazing.
I love Elon Musk. He's saying Tesla's no longer a car company. It's a robot company. The future of Tesla is Optimus.
Yeah, exactly. The job of the CEO
What
is
else?
just to keep selling you future. the public company.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
essentially the job of a CEO is create a good story. All right, so pretty really amazing trading on the Google, really nice. If I get to 231, it would be amazing. Apple is coming up as well, but it's really rejecting the VWAP right now.
I don't think Apple's not trading that well.
No, yeah, I'm kind of thinking of giving up on Apple. My Google trade was so nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
AMD.
There's some stocks that are trading really well, like uh, Google PLTR traded really well after it found a bottom there.
So it did some sort of Apple at 9:45 did some sort of a bullish engulfing and reversed. And again, remember, it's a stock that gapped up 3% with news. So, and then from 9:45 to 9:50 it was pretty bullish. But it's struggling at the VWAP. So VWAP is definitely an area that generally very difficult to break through. You usually need a big change in the order flow. That's why the basis of Paris trading is like that. It's not a bad trade. I just get a little bit late in there, so my entry is not great. But we'll see. Still hasn't lost the VWAP. So PLTR was a very nice bounce at 940. Google potential 920 if continued coming lower.
Nvidia looks like it's going to go to yesterday's high. It's got a big order at 172 right now. And see if we can break through 158.30 now on PLTR.
PLTR 158.30. Yeah, very nice. All right, Google's coming doing a 920 trade. Looking at potentially add on it. See what's the
Mm.
situation here. I'm adding a little bit on Google at 228.60s as a 920. See if you can go back to 229. My average is still is very low, so I have a good average situation here. The bond market is rallying. It's really good. When the bond is rallying, is really nice. So TLT is up 1%. The bonds market is doing up. The market is really pricing lower rates. Yeah, Qs are really hoping to stay strong. Let's see if the Google 920 works, Brian. My
Yeah.
I'll add a little bit more on Google. I'll bring my average on Google to 227, so a bit more room. Come on, Apple. Come on, Apple. Test the VWAP again.
PLTR is still struggling at that 158.30, trying to break through yesterday's high.
Come on, Apple. Should I get out of Apple with this mess?
I think Apple's a, I don't know. It certainly seems like this VWAP, it's trading right around the VWAP, doesn't want to go anywhere.
Okay, this is my chance to get out of Apple with a small loss. Should I be greedy or should I be smart? All right, Google. Seems that the 920 didn't work on Google.
Maybe it'll bounce off the VWAP.
New Apple is shit. Yeah, Apple looks like it's losing it.
Market's
So
selling
market,
off here.
yeah, really big drop everywhere. So we'll probably have to get out of Apple. All right, I'm gonna get out of Apple at 22.35.20. Fuck, I can come out of Apple as break even piece of garbage. No, I gotta stop that off Apple, Peter. I gotta stop that off Apple. All right, I'm still in Google too. Let's see what happens in Google. Market really took a dive on 10.12. Tesla, what's Tesla doing? Tesla bounced back.
Tesla bounced back and got to yesterday's high and then rejected there. But I think part of that was the market.
Bonds are still strong. Bonds are still strong. Google, yeah, the 920 trade on Google didn't work. So what I should do is I should get out of it. The VWAP, my average is 227.11, so it's getting there. Carlos did a very nice trade on PLTR on YouTube. Very nice. So Brian, where are you trading at? Are you still on PLTR?
I'm still holding. Just bounced off the 9. I just have a little bit left. So as long as it holds above this low it just made, I was going to I'll stop out. But
Nice.
I'm still hoping it'll break through this 158.30 level. But there's definitely a seller from yesterday's high right there. I don't kind of losing hope in it right now.
Apple's going up to test the VWAP again. Yep, that's nice. I'm back long on Apple at 235.50. I'm definitely over trading it, but let's see if Apple can break it above the VWAP. Come on, 236.22. Google. Yeah, Google definitely looks like Google also lost it. Carlos did a nice reversal on PLTR. That was really nice.
Google just
Right.
ran out of buyers.
Yeah. Right. Come on, Google. Come on, Apple. Pop up. Above the VWAP. Yeah, nice. Come on. Or shooting some here. Come on, you can do that. Nice. Nice. Getting more, come on. There was no news, Sam. It was just apparently, I don't know, somebody dumped the shares or something. Okay, so I'm partially some on Apple. I doubt I'm going to get the losses back, but let's see if we can get to 237. To 36.50. We're still long also Google, so 37 and on Apple, yeah, nice. Nice on Apple. Guys, anyone in this Apple trade? I actually might add a little bit more on it. I'm adding a little bit more on it. I'm adding a little bit more on Apple. This Apple may actually go higher now. 237.50. Nice. Nice.
As
Partially
long
more. Ooh, PLTR, Brian. Brian
I know.
PLTR.
There you
You
go.
just scanner
Yeah,
everywhere.
right through to 159. There you go.
Oh, yeah. PLTR scanner really
Yep.
killing it on
Just
Telegram scanner.
selling some more. I'm also long some SPX options.
Nice. Oh, shit. Nice.
Just gonna sell them.
I'm adding more on Apple,
$5.
guys. Let's see and get to 237.50.
Okay, I'm out of PLTR this is
PLTR is going to go to
R3.
160, Brian.
What is?
It's going to go to 260. Sorry, 160.
160? He's 160? Well, this is R3. I'm happy with that move. That's okay.
All right, now Apple, I think we're going to get to 237.60. Apple 237.50. I want to put an order there. I knew it, guys. I knew this Apple is gonna go.
Oh, look at Tesla. Tesla's ripping too here.
237.50. President Trump is probably very happy. He says,
Mm.
"Knew it. Lower the rate."
Wow, gold and silver up again today. GDX, GDXJ.
By the way, guys, sorry, I'm out completely out of Google. So I'm all out of Google completely my position. So the only thing that I have is Apple. All right, Apple. Let's see if Apple can get to 37.50. I think it's gonna go. Brian, you're quiet. What's happening with you?
Oh, I'm just looking at some of my swing trades right now because I don't have any
Brian, I want to sit on my
other
hands.
positions. What's
I'm
that?
sitting on my hands right now.
Wow, look at Tesla. Tesla is on fire. The robots are taking over. Garbage trucks are coming.
All right, Apple 237.50. So Tesla, ooh, Tesla, new high of the day. Wow.
I know. Tesla is on fire.
$1 trillion company moves up and down 4%. Can you believe this? Apple, I'm gonna add a little bit more on Apple because we want 237.50. Carlos trades really nice on PLTR.
Yeah, PLTR still looks like it's got room to run here.
I know Peter also did a nice trade. I think he did short the Tesla at the open.
PLTR does have a big order at 160.
Right. What do we have? Qs are making new high today. My TQQ is doing really well. Tesla is reaping, Brian. Are you in this? Tesla? I know some of our
No, I wish I
traders are in
was. I didn't think it was going to break out like that, obviously.
that. Guys, remember that, guys. We started the Peak Capital Bootcamp this week. So this week, everybody should get into their DAS platform, go classes under Brandon, gets ready. We start live trading next week. Then we have the one big test, and then the funded account through DAS for all the Peak Capital Bootcamp starts. So if you have any question about your platform, which is DAS Trader Pro, exactly what we are using, this is the week to really play around, work it. And, part of the bootcamp is to use your resources as much as possible. Like bug Brandon all the time, email him all the time, just get all the questions that you want from him. That's what you paid for. That's what you deserve. And then starting from Monday, live trading with Thor starts.
Through 160. Might even go to R4, which is
Yeah,
161.70.
yeah, PLTR, I told you, man, it's reaping now. I don't know what happened exactly at the 1018, but it's something really is fundamentally broke. I told you, but when bond market move like that is serious. So Elliot, my average in Apple right now is at 236.25. So I have some room. I'm actually adding a little bit more on that here as well. It's going to go to 237.50, I think. Wow, Tesla ripping. Jeez, what is that? There's no news on Tesla, is it?
I don't know. No idea.
Wow, such a short squeeze in Tesla. Wow, look at the trade that Carlos had. He wants to get to 161.23. Wow, nice, very nice. Carlos is doing really nice trading. He was born as a pre-market person. Like, you know, on the first day from the hospital, hey, pre-market. He is just such a pre-market real person. All right, so SPY is reversing 643. PLTR is going up. PLTR is definitely wants 161. That's the chart. Yeah. 162 is the moving average on a daily chart. Oh, the gap fill is the next level is the gap fill on PLTR.
Yeah,
Back
okay.
in August
Yeah.
4th. Yeah, the gap. This is important level 160, 143. Yeah, Carlos also has it on his chart. Yeah, yes, okay. Apple is gonna go to 237.50, I think. I love you, Tesla, huh? French trader.
Look,
Where's
yeah.
that? Oh, where's where's
I don't
Paris?
see
Yeah, where's Paris? Anything?
the only thing I see here is bad news. Tesla, GM, and other EV sales to tumble 50% with the end of federal EV tax credits later this month. So now the future is definitely now robots.
Leon, I want you to win the $15,000 funded account on trading terminal. That's great.
Jared.
No, no, no. I'm sticking with Apple still. My average is 236.20, so still have time.